The easiest way I know to thicken your lines is go to your magic wand, choose Gaussian blur, and you want to blur that up. Then you can duplicate it a few times, scrunch it all together. Then we do a select. Down at the bottom, choose invert. Then use your cursor or your Apple Pencil on the screen to increase and decrease your threshold so that you get just the parts that you want to thicken all there. And then you do a clear. And now our lines are thicker. I hope this helps you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.